I look to my left, there's nothing on this wall. I look to my right, there's nothing on this wall or any of the walls in the entry hall. I look over here, there's the dining area and the kitchen. On this wall, there's a light switch for the dining room. On this wall, there's 2 light switches. Turn them off. One for the kitchen. Whoop, that's the back door, backyard. There's the kitchen. Now, follow all the walls through the living room. Not one light switch. There's the light. Now you know why you get even new home builds inspected.